Hey guys, looking to attempt to put a new rubber seal on my oil cap. So I just went to Amy Hardware and bought a rubber washer, and what I'll do is I'll cut the inner circle out enough to be as big as around as the top here, and then if I can try to stretch it around it, we'll see how that works. Alright, got it cut. You can kind of see the diameter I made. And we'll see if I can stretch it and get it on. Yeah, there you go, not bad. So it has a little bit of play, not too much. You can probably make a small hole a little bit smaller. Try to stretch it over, but well, not too bad. So I'll go my engine here. So I just exposed the top. Yeah, that's pretty good. Not too bad. All right, that's it.